In today's lesson, we're going to talk about chain rule. Under this, we're going to look into meaning of chain rule, the chain rule formula, when do we use chain rule of differential calculus, how to use chain rule of differential calculus, and application of chain rule in trigonometry. The chain rule refers to the method of differentiation that is used in differentiating a function of a function. That is, when we have a composite function and we are told to differentiate that function. In that case, we employed the chain rule of differential calculus. A function of a function refers to a function that has a function in itself. The chain rule formula is given by the y over the x is equals to the y all over the u multiplied by the u all over the x. Now, when do we use chain rule formula? The chain rule formula is used when we are given a function that is a composite function and we are told to differentiate this function. In that case, we employ the chain rule formula. Don't forget that a function and a composite function is a function that has another function in itself. So in that case, we make use of chain rule formula to differentiate such function. The function must be differentiable, that is, we must be able to differentiate that function. Now, the question is, how do we use the chain rule of differential calculus? Since chain rule is employed in differential calculus when we are told to differentiate a composite function, the first step is to identify the outer function and the inner function. The second step, we differentiate the outer function and the inner function. Then the third step is to multiply the derivative of the outer function with that of the derivative of the inner function.